Stem cell facelift. As facelifts became increasingly popular, many plastic surgeons began to realize that this procedure, as performed in the past, created a tighter and plastic facial appearance, rather than a youthful and natural one. As we grow older, our facial fullness starts deflating and our skin begins losing elasticity. This facial aging process leads to skin that begins drooping and relaxing, leading to a tired and unhealthy appearance. One of the first places that you will begin noticing a loss of facial volume is beneath the eyes and in the cheek area. This volume loss results in fat around the eye area to appear to be bulging. Surrounding skin then starts dropping down and moving inward, creating deeper laugh lines and marionette lines. Fortunately, a stem cell facelift can address these issues non-surgically in only one procedure. Changing times. Until recently, the conventional concept of plastic surgery was focused on the removal of bags under the eyes, as well as removing excess skin and stretching skin tight. When modern plastic surgeons reviewed the results of this type of plastic surgery, they began to notice that this technique both made people's faces look stretched and plastic, as well as emphasizing volume loss and a hollowed-out appearance that led the patient to actually appear older. What makes a stem cell facelift different than a conventional facelift? This advanced technique is an innovative approach offering a completely new model for facelifting, which is able to correct problems commonly faced with fat grafting techniques in two-dimensional facelifts. To start, this technique is actually a facelift that does not involve surgery, leading to a 3D facelift that does not involve incisions or scars. It addresses the chief cause of facial aging, which is volume loss, but it does not alter your natural facial anatomy. This technique is performed using local anesthesia. Procedure cost. A stem cell facelift costs significantly less than older techniques since general anesthesia is not required and it can be performed more quickly. Furthermore, the entire facial region can be corrected simultaneously using this procedure. Otherwise, each area would involve a separate procedure that significantly runs up the cost. What are stem cells taken from fat? The most concentrated form of fat contains non-embryonic adult stem cells. These types of cells are dormant until activated by conditions like tissue injury or disease. They are part of the body's repair and maintenance system and have the ability to divide and replenish other cells. Once stem cells and fat are activated, they can either stay a stem cell or transform into a fat cell, a bone cell, a muscle cell, a cartilage cell, and more. Does this technique result in scars? No. Without incisions, no scars will form. Only blunt instruments are used for removing fat in stem cells with this procedure. Are stem cell facelifts safe? Yes. We are only taking fat from your own body, so there should be no allergic response to a foreign invader or exotic substances that are sometimes injected by unscrupulous doctors. Also, since general anesthesia is not used, the risk associated with anesthesia are completely eliminated. Will it hurt? Patients typically report experiencing mild pressure during the injection phase that is minimized using local anesthesia. It is not uncommon to experience mild soreness in the treated areas for up to 2 weeks, and pain medication is not normally required. How long should I expect my recovery to take? You will be able to begin resuming your normal daily activities the following day if you take a sedative during your procedure. It is typical to experience some degree of swelling and bruising in the treated areas for up to 10 days, depending upon your unique healing response and the extent of the procedure. How long will my results last? Patients normally find that their results last anywhere from 5 to 10 years. The length of time that your results will last depends upon factors like your genetics, lifestyle, and habits. If you smoke or are overweight, your results will not last as long. Is this different from fat injections? The results of fat grafting injections are based upon the used technique. The specific technique used to transfer the fat is a major factor in the success of the treatment. When Dr. Antun uses this process, he is able to as much as triple the number of stem cells involved, carefully sculpting the face into an appearance that is both healthy and youthful. This special technique leads to enhanced results that last longer and restore facial structures and the skin over the area. How will my results change over time? Since Dr. Antun is using your own living tissue, there will be no significant changes besides how you would age normally with your surrounding tissues. In addition to offering balanced facial proportions, stem cells lead to a rejuvenation of both the texture and appearance of your skin, allowing you to regain your youthful glow. Why should I choose HD Esthetique? Dr. Antun is renowned for his over 35 years of experience in surgery. You can benefit from both his wealth of knowledge and his innovative techniques. He is firmly committed to his patients and ensuring that they can benefit from all of the latest innovations in the field of cosmetic surgery. If you would like to receive more information about how you can benefit from a stem cell facelift, we invite you to contact the office of HD Esthetique today to schedule your initial consultation with Dr. Antun as the first step in transforming your face into a more pleasing and youthful appearance.